All right, guys, what's going on? Quick video update as we are speaking. There is a lot going on in the crypto markets regarding Hyperliquid and Jelly. I've already updated this in the community as well, but as you can see, at any given moment, anything can happen, and no one really knows from where this next Black Swan event might arise. It's just full of surprises. Every day is full of surprises, and that's why we like to be involved in the first place, because in this chaos and uncertainties, there is a lot of exciting opportunities to trade both short and long, and we're here to cover them all. And yeah, before that, as always, we're covering this and everything else in the community in live markets as we speak. I'm there with many other guys talking trading and yeah, just chilling and vibing. So come and join us in Telegram, visit the MICE community. But without further ado, let's dive into what we call now a bearish sell setup on BTC that might come to fruition in a matter of days now. And I've also already covered this in the chat as well. I do expect another sell to at least this 75,000 low. This is very logical, just purely from technical perspective. But from market sentiment perspective, I mean, this is a very clean corrective structure to the trend line that usually, works out as a short setup. But however, there is one little thing that actually tells us that we might break to the upside from here. And this would be a different approach. And this would be like a flag to the trend line. And from here, we can actually break out. If you see this as a flag, this can easily just break out to the upside and take out this liquidity here. We have this liquidity here, and this would be a very clean bullish sign. So technically, we are in a very uncertain area. We're looking for this next candle that is going to be a clear indication and will leave no doubt about what the market is going to do next in the next few weeks, I would say. So yeah, we are waiting for this breakout to come to us. We don't know whether it's going to be bearish or bullish, but that it's going to come. This is almost certain. Almost certain it's going to come very, very soon, very, very quickly, and it will leave you no doubt what the market will do. So we're just waiting for new event that will trigger this breakout, either long or short. And we can actually search for some clues on Ethereum as well, which to me is as well very, again, very, very same. You watch like daily time frame. Essentially, what we're trying to do really here is to predict where the market is going just based on the highest liquidity pairs, which are Solana, ETH, and BTC. And from this perspective, I would say that we are more likely to have another dump, because this is just printing lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. And I can see that from this kind of corrective perspective, price action wise, it is very corrective. If you see this is essentially just preparing for a retest. And most likely, if I would take probabilities, this is a short setup. it's more likely to go down based on the textbook, just as a continuation pattern here to the downside. So this is more likely to happen, in my opinion, with the current market. So yeah, this is and we don't really know how how far it can go, but it's about to do something very soon. This low volatility, it won't last long, and we're about to see some action in real time, which is really exciting. Now, if we take Solana is a bit more bullish to me, and it actually broke a mini structure here, so we can actually do this, slow grind, maybe some 10 lines, whatnot, but we broken like a mini structure that we had here. This is most recent price structure, but it's still weak and we're still printing lower lows. So technically, until we break 180 on Solana, we are still bearish, in my opinion. That's how I see the markets, And then once we break it, we can still come back to 130 and then go up from here in this sort of bull flag nature pattern. We could do something like this, but obviously, we just need to see first if we'll get 280. So yeah, it's just all waiting game. There is, again, it's very hard to predict where the market is going in this very moment. But what we can do is we can be patient and wait for the right moment to come. So we can do wisdomize intelligence as always. Let's cover this real quick before we head off, but personally not doing much currently. So what we have here is obviously Radar Plus, which gathers all the best trending coins from all the socials. That is also confirmed by technical analysis. And based on this knowledge, we can clearly see that we can have AI, Rig Complex, GMT, Zerbro are being bullish. Fartcoin is actually making waves, but really what you want to see here is that it's bullish and cheap, and the sentiment is positive. So with this in mind, I can say that GMT and AI Rig Complex. I just actually want to see what's happening with this crypto here. So I'm very curious if this is bullish, in my opinion. Oh no, this is not good chart. No, I definitely don't want you to guys buy this. Anything, I mean, obviously, majority of the charts are like this right now, but what you actually want to see is a longer consolidation around, until May. So it's probably just gonna die slowly and then consolidate it, and then at some point it can pump, but it's definitely not ready yet, and there is nothing you can really do right now. I mean, just in my opinion, the best way is to ignore all the news. Again, just wait until this first pump comes on BTC or ETH, and until then, it's going to be very hard to trade in general. But yeah, you have to be careful. You can for sure make money in this current market because BSC is pumping. There's new liquidity inflows. There's new news events. There's a lot of things that is going on, but like you have to be really careful. But the good thing is that Wisdomize platform actually helps you to be careful and actually helps you to actually trade only those assets that are already being positive and already showing some returns, and showing some momentum. So this is something that you can easily use to your own advantage on a day-to-day basis, doing well-informed decisions and aping the right cryptos, not rocks like you're used to. So yeah, that's a quick update from my end, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye. Bye.